Hi guys, in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily name your own house on Google Maps. So that's quite simple, but before starting the tutorial make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and make sure that you watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So first of all you will have to go to the App Store and download Google Maps and then open it. Once you open the Google Maps, you will simply have to click on saved section on the bottom mid. Now you'll have to click on labeled, and then you can see there is an option of plus on the bottom right. You will simply have to click on it and you'll have to enter a address. For example, I entered New York and I click on New York, USA, choose a map, and for example I zoom in and I set this location, this one, and click on OK. Once you've done, click on OK. Now you'll have to enter the name of your house or whatever you want. For example, I will add Tutorial Fusion and click on done. Now your house will be added on Google Maps, and that's how you can easily name your own house on Google Maps. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe.